Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a car battery from a Buick Lacrosse. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. You will need a few basic tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and potentially a battery strap or puller for easier lifting. Now let's disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal, which is typically black and marked with a minus sign. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery. After that, proceed to the positive terminal, usually red and marked with a plus sign, and remove its cable in the same manner. With the cables safely disconnected, it's time to free the battery from its tray. Most Buick Lacrosse models have a hold-down clamp or strap at the base or top of the battery. Locate this mechanism and use your wrench or socket to loosen and remove it. This step ensures the battery is no longer secured and can be safely lifted out of its compartment. Finally, it's time to remove the battery. Car batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back. Carefully pull the battery straight up and out of its compartment. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any signs of corrosion or dirt. Cleaning the tray ensures a clean and secure fit for your new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.